Is the fall GQ Best Stuff box worth it? No, I don't think it is. But value-wise, you definitely get your money's worth. Stay tuned and you'll see why. The Best Stuff box is known to pack $200 of value into a $59 box, up from the original $50. This fall box contains 7 items, with 6 of them being toiletry bag stuffers. A big poo-poo if you ask me. Starting off, we have this misspelled Bluetooth speaker by Studio. Valued at $79 retail, it actually sounds pretty good, but it had super goofy controls and it's not the most intuitive to use. You can sync it with another one, but let's be real, we only get in one. None of these sold on eBay in the last 90 days, so I'm not optimistic about the value of this, but it does look nice. Starting off the toiletry stuffers, we have the Hawthorne Work Cologne valued at $50 retail. It actually smelled pretty nice and came with quite a bit at 50 milliliters. To me, this thing is the ringer in the box and actually had some sales on eBay, with the highest being $40 with free shipping. The next treat is the Basquiat Retinol Repair. I had to squeeze so hard to get this stuff out. I was hoping this stuff would be more like a satisfying pimple pop, but it actually just spilled out some oil. Valued at $48 retail, is a 1 ounce bottle, and it can be had on eBay for about $10 with free shipping. Next up, you got this weird combo from Aveda, a mint purifying shampoo and a thickening foam for those with thin hair. Both of them retail value at about $25 total, and on eBay, imagine that, you can get it for about $13 for both with free shipping. Next up for your toiletry bag is the First Aid Face Cleanser. Retails for about $12, selling for around $9 on eBay with free shipping. Lastly, we got this green tea tin looking box, which will definitely set off the metal detectors at the TSA, so actually not going in the toiletry bag. But it's valued at $7 for an ounce, and surprisingly, it sells for about that much on eBay with free shipping. So sure, you're getting more than $59 worth of stuff. And this box was pretty weak in terms of volume. Other boxes had more stuff, and more real market value too. But really, you're getting so much toiletry stuff. If you really like that kind of stuff, I doubt you're switching it up that often, and a lot of little knickknacks that really don't feel that all unique. So I've gotten all 4 boxes from my subscription that I paid $200 for. I ended up selling some of the stuff from the boxes and it recouped about $180. So my net cost was something like $20. I ended up keeping about 25 to 40% of each box, usually to fill my toiletry bag. So I ended up spending $20 for 4 boxes, and I still somehow don't feel like I got a good deal. Should I keep going? Comment down below if you think it's worth it to keep it going, and I'll have until November to decide, so check back then and find out if I continued. I also included a link down below to the Best Stuff box if you want to get one. Thanks.